নিয়ে চলে এসেছে একটা নতুন সেশন। আমাদের সবাইকে কম্পিটিটিভ চ্যালেঞ্জ ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে ওয়েলকাম। আজকে বুক এবং অথরের ওপর মডার্ন হিস্ট্রির ওপর একটি লেসনটা রয়েছে। এখানে টপ 20 কোশ্চেন্স রয়েছে, যেগুলো আগে প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারে অনেকবার এসছে এবং ফিউচারেও আসবে। চলো শুরু করা যাক। দ্য ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, which book is written by F.V. Bose, means Subhash Chandra Bose? Indian struggle, poverty and un-British rule in India, India divided, and India from Karfin to Nehru and after. The correct answer is the Indian struggle. Indian struggle is written by Subhash Chandra Bose. Second question, which book is written by Dadabhai Naoroji? Options are same. Indian struggle, poverty and un-British rule in India, India divided, and India from Karfin to Nehru and after. The correct answer is the poverty and un-British rule in India. Question number 3. Which book is written by Rajendra Prasad? Options are Indian struggle, poverty and un-British rule in India, India divided, and India from Karfin to Nehru and after. The correct answer is India divided. India divided is written by Rajendra Prasad. Okay. Question number 4. Who of the following is the author of the collection of poems called Golden Threshold? Options are Aruna Ashraf Ali, Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, and Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is the author of the collection of poems called Golden Threshold. যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক করো, প্রচুর প্রচুর শেয়ার করো এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 5. Which book is written by Premchand? शतरंज की खिलाड़ी, देवी चौधुरानी, नील दर्पण और चंद्रकांता. So the correct answer is शतरंज की खिलाड़ी. शतरंज की खिलाड़ी is written by Premchand. Question number 6. Which book is written by Dinabandhu Mitra? It is very easy question. Options are Shatranj Ki Khiladi, Devi Chaudhurani, Nil Darpan and Chandrakanta. The correct answer is Nil Darpan. Nil Darpan is written by Dinabandhu Mitra. Question number 7. Which book is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee? Options are शतरंज की खिलाड़ी, देवी चौधुरानी, नील दर्पण and Chandrakanta. The correct option is the Devi Chaudhurani. Devi Chaudhurani is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 8. Who amongst the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita? Options are William Jones, Charles Wilkins, Alexander Cunningham and John Marshall. So the correct answer is Charles Wilkins. The Charles Wilkins amongst the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita into English. So এই কোশ্চেনগুলো অনেকগুলো প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারে অলরেডি এসে গেছে বিভিন্ন ইউপিএসসি পিএসসি এর বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায়। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 9. Who wrote the book Life Divine? Options are Mulk Raj Anand, Abul Kalam Azad, Aravinda Ghosh and Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer Aravinda Ghosh. Question number 10. Which of the following books was known as a Bible of Bengali patriotism? Okay. Options for Gitanjali, Anandamath, Devdas and Gora. The correct option is Anandamath. Question number 11. Who wrote Discovery of India? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Mulk Raj Anand, Abul Kalam Azad and Aurobindo Ghosh. The correct answer Jawaharlal Nehru. The Jawaharlal Nehru wrote Discovery of India. Question number 12. Who was author of the book Mother India? Options are Annie Besant, Katrina Frank, Katrina Mayo and Sarojini Naidu. The correct option Katrina Mayo. Katrina Mayo was the author of the book of Mother India. যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক এন্ড শেয়ার করো, প্রত্যেক দিন এরকম টাইপের কিছু এমসিকিউ সিরিজ আসবে যেগুলো রাত্রির 11টা থেকে 12টার মধ্যে আসবে। ওকে, এভরি ডে আই ওয়ান্ট to publish a video related to MCQ in 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. So they are very helpful, I think. Please share and subscribe this channel. This channel, I guarantee that this channel will help you a lot. So question number 13. Who has written Janada Git? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Maithili Sharan Gupta, and Shamlal Gupta Prasad. So the correct option is the Shamlal Gupta Prasad. Okay. Question number 14. Who wrote India Wins Freedom? Options are Abul Kalam Azad, Chaudhuri Kalikwazaman, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer, Abul Kalam Azad. Abul Kalam Azad wrote India Wins Freedom. Question number 15. Who wrote Pathway to Pakistan? Options are same. Abul Kalam Azad, Chaudhuri Kalikwazaman, Mum, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Rajendra Prasad. So the correct option is Chaudhuri Kalikwazaman. Chaudhuri Kalikwazaman wrote Pathway to Pakistan. Question number 16. Who wrote A Passage to India? Options are Mark Twain, Nayantara Sehgal, Nirad C. Chaudhuri, and E.M. Foster. So the correct option is E.M. Foster. Question number 17. Who was the author of the book Glimpse of World History? The options are Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Gopalan, and S. Radhakrishnan. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru was the author of the book Glimpse of World History, Discovery of India, and many others. Question number 18. Who wrote Unhappy India? These are very common question and it already came to many exam previous year. Okay. Options for Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Gopalan, and Lala Rajpat Rai. I think you all know about it. Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay. Lala Lajpat Rai wrote Unhappy India. Question number 19. Which of the following book is not written by Gandhiji? Not written by Gandhiji. Remember, options are Indian Home Rule. Option 2, My Early Life. Option 3, My Experience with Truth. And Branch of Old Letters. So the correct answer is the Branch of Old Letter, because it is not written by Gandhiji. It was not written by Gandhiji. It was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. So in this session, we learned the three books of Jawaharlal Nehru. One is Discovery of India, second Glimpse of World History, and third The Bunch of Old Letters. The three were written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, our first Prime Minister in India. So which of the following books is not written by Gandhiji? Bunch of Old Letters. So these are three are written by Gandhiji. So Indian Home Rule, My Early Life, and My Experience with Truth, and Hind Swaraj. All fours were written by Gandhiji. Okay. Question number 20. Who wrote the book Broken Wings? Options are Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, and none of this. Okay. So we repeat the options. Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, and none of this. So the correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. So who wrote the book Broken Wings? The book Broken Wings was written by Sarojini Naidu. So the sessions is over today. Tomorrow I will publish a very uncommon topic. Okay, Obviously, it is related to history because in this week um, I publish all the subjects related to history. So, thank you. Please share and like and subscribe my channel. God bless you.